Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to be making puff puff. This is one of the easiest snack to make, and you can use this to wind down on a good sunny evening like a weekend. You can easily put this together for you and your family to use on a weekend with maybe fried fish. So I'm going to be adding sugar to my flour, that is all purpose flour, and I just added my instant yeast with Himalayan salt, and I'm adding black pepper, and I'm going to be mixing everything together. So I have to mix it with milk. You can add water to yours if you don't have milk, or you can even use yogurt. So give it a quick mix and you make it to your consistency, what the way you want it, the thickness or how light you want it. It depends on the amount of liquid that you're going to be adding. I don't want mine to be running, I want it thick. So that is why I'm not going to add a lot of liquid. So you have to walk through it, mix it very well until it becomes like very gluey or gummy. Okay, mix it to the level of this consistency, and you cover it and allow it to puff for about 45 minutes. So I'm going to cover it and put it away, and after 45 minutes I will be back with it. Keep it in a warm place. You can put it in your microwave or in your oven. And this is after 45 minutes. You can see that it has actually doubled in size because it was well puffed and well rested. So I'm going to use my hands to reduce the air that is in the dough. Okay, so with this I will be getting ready to start frying my puff puff, to start cutting it into the oil. You see, mine is a bit thick. It depends on how you want it. And this is my oil that is heated up. Heat it, but not too hot. And you start cutting your puff puff into it. At times it's difficult to cut, but just do it a way that will be convenient for you. You can wet your palm with oil so that it will not be that sticky, and you fry on a low heat. Make sure it is well cooked, because you don't want to be eating puff puff and you are chewing raw dough. Okay, some of the puff puff are a bit stubborn, so when you meet those that are stubborn, you 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 deal with them. Okay, at times when you are flipping some, they feel difficult to flip over, they don't want to flip over, but when you run into such, you handle them with seriousness. When you meet stubborn kids, you know how to deal with them too. So when you meet one of these stubborn like this that I'm trying to flip, it's trying to show me that it's stubborn, it doesn't want to flip. So when you meet those type, try as much as possible to flip it so that the other side will be cooked. So this is what I'm going to be doing, cutting it in the oil until everything is fried, and that is it. The puff puff will be ready and you can snack with it. You see, that is the stubborn one I'm talking about. Is refusing to flip over, but you keep looking for a way to make it flip, because you will be the one to eat it. If you allow it to be stubborn and you leave it alone, the other side of it may not be fried, it may not be cooked, and you don't want to eat raw dough. So you look for a way to deal with it. So once you are done with all the frying, your puff puff is ready. You can be eating it as you are frying. That is what I and my family actually did. As I was frying it, my husband, my kids, they were picking from it and eating it hot. And you taste the crunchiness. Okay, so you can eat it hot, you can eat it cold, you can even leave the leftover for the next day. Okay, guys, make sure everything is cooked inside. When you see that your oil is getting hot, you reduce it. So my puff puff is ready and is ready to be eaten. So thank you every one of you that comes along with me to watch my video. I really do appreciate. Please feel free. Yes, I am giving you the permission to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, my friends that always come to watch my video. You all are being appreciated. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.